Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a minimal, natural, everyday makeup look using limited amount of products. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I was just recording and realized I wasn't recording this whole time. But anyway, to start off this natural makeup look, the first thing that you want to do is start off with your skincare. Skincare prep is going to be very important for a natural makeup look because obviously we don't have foundation and all these excess powders. Knowing that I'm not going to be able to fully cover up all my blemishes, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, etc., I'm going to want to glow from within in a sort of way. So starting with your skincare is integral for that step. First thing that I did go in with this Bio Tomato Serum. I really like this serum. I like the way it makes my skin feel, but feel free to use any serum that you already have. Like I said before, we're just starting off this process by preparing ourselves for the outdoors. The outdoors is harsh. Don't get it twisted. It's hard out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? You got wind chill. You got UV rays, you got dust, you got pollution. There's a lot going on out there. So you definitely want to prep your skin and make sure that it's ready for what's about to go down. Okay, so of course I did just mention UV rays, so we always want to make sure to use some sort of SPF. I'm not sure if I'm going in with my tinted moisturizer today as yet. My tinted moisturizer does already have SPF, but me personally, even if I do that, I like to double up. Okay, so I will definitely go ahead and win with a more skincare at the forefront SPF. Okay, one of my favorites is the Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Environmental Shields. I really enjoy this SPF, but again, go ahead and use any SPF that you like. It might sound crazy, but I feel like one of my biggest fighters of hyperpigmentation and ensuring that like my dark spots and stuff like that go away quicker is my SPF. I feel like prior to using SPF, dark spots and things like that would stay on my skin seemingly forever. But what I noticed with using the SPF, you know, it's protecting my skin and it's not allowing the sun to make these spots even darker and make sure they stay and they last. SPF has definitely helped me minimize the amount of time that it takes for my like dark spots from breakouts and things like that to go away. Okay, so the next thing that I usually do is go ahead in and do my eyebrows. So for today, I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I am enjoying this wax. I've never used anything else. There's other products. I know NYX has like a gel product that they just came out with. I'm sure there's like drugstore brands and things of that nature. So again, go ahead and use any of these kind of styling brow gels that you like. I personally like it because it allows for me to use less product, and I feel like obviously if I'm using less product, it's gonna make my brows look more natural. If we're doing a natural look, we don't want our brows to look like painted on, you know what I'm trying to say? You want it to look as natural as possible. So using these type of eyebrow gels definitely help accentuate every one of your actual brow hairs, meaning that you could use less products. I'm then gonna follow up with the eyebrow pencil from ColourPop. This is their Brow Boss. I use the color Brunette. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut, which is pretty much my skin tone. So it's going to hopefully blend right into my eyes. Now that my brows are finished, I'm gonna actually go in and use a primer. So for today, I'm gonna be using this Dial. This is a soft focus glow drops illuminating ultimate glow primer. So again, like I said, being that I'm not going to be able to cover up every imperfection, I want my skin to just glow. And as you can see, just from applying my serum and my SPF, my skin is already giving off glow. So we're going to now go in with this illuminating glow primer. Alright you guys, so now I am beaming. Can you guys see that radiance? I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lip mask. This is the Apple and Balm Glow Lip Balm. My lips are just super dry, so yeah, get into this glow. Low-key hikey, low-key hikey, hikey low-key. I will leave the house just like this. This is a look, we're done. Deuces. Okay, not even gonna hold you guys most of the time. This is where my routine stops because I love me just a natural glowy radiant look. But for today, we are gonna go in and do just a first things first. I am gonna go in and lightly conceal under my eyes and back in with the Born This Way Multi Sculpt concealer. But for this step, we're going to use Maple, which is a shade lighter than the shade that we used on our eyebrows. Just a little bit of highlight. So we're just going to literally dot a few dots under our eye. Okay, so usually I can go in with my concealer in Chestnut and just, like, you know, handle those areas. But sometimes I feel like because I just have concealer in those areas, it can tend to look a little bit patchy. I'm gonna give the concealer a little bit of time just to like adhere to the skin. In the meantime, I'm gonna go in with my Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. This is in the color DG6. I'm literally, this also has SPF 20 in it. I'm literally gonna put like the tiniest amount of this because it's not that serious. We're just being natural. Literally, I just want to use this to like even out my tone. And literally that's it. I put like the slightest amount and that's just perfect for me. You're still seeing the glow that we put, you're still seeing all that. So let's go ahead in with our makeup sponge and blend out this concealer. And that is that one. Okay. Alright, so now that that's complete, I do want to go ahead and set that concealer because I'm sorry, I need to set it because I feel like it'll just vanish. If I don't, it'll be like, what was the point? So I am gonna go in with my translucent honey powder. Of course, the honey powder is a little richer than the straight translucent, so it's gonna kind of blend into my natural skin tone a little bit more, giving me that more natural look that I'm going for. I'm also not going to like stamp it in like I usually do. I'm literally just gonna take like a fluffy brush and just like lightly apply it. We don't need a lot. I'm gonna do under my eye and over my eyelid. I'm literally pretty much almost done. What I'm gonna do next is I want to bronze a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and with my Fenty Beauty, this is the Sunstalker Cocoa Naughty bronzer, and I'm just gonna lightly bronze around my face. Alright, so next we're going to take a cream blush. This is the Wander Beauty blush in Double Date. This can be used for cheeks or lips. It's a pretty pinkish color. So we're going to apply just like so, and it's super pink, but it's okay. We're going to bring a little bit of that over onto this side, and we're just going to blend this into our skin. Use my beauty blender. So now that we have the blush applied, I'm actually going to use the Fenty Cheeks Out. This is actually also a blush. This is in Fuego Flush, but this blush has like some golden shimmers to it, and I think it's super pretty. I love using it on these type of days. So I'm actually going to go into that and apply it as highlight. Alright, so what I also like to do, I forgot, was after I finish putting my bronzer on, I just take an eyeshadow brush and I literally just apply the bronzer to the crease. Literally, that's all. Just to give me a little something, something. Look like I did something when I ain't do much. So literally pretty much done here. What I am gonna do is, I have this Bronze Goddess powder. I'm gonna take like the fluffiest of brushes and simply go over top the everything and just set it with this. Line my lips. I'm gonna actually use the same Lip and Cheek Wonder Beauty blush that I use, and I'm gonna put it on my lips. I'm also going to take some of this Iconic London. This is an illuminator, and I just like to drop a couple drops. Like, first of all, I like to go on my brows. I'm gonna go in my inner corner, and I'm gonna put the tiniest, just a little more on my cheeks. Although the Fenty gave me like a nice sheen, I just want a little bit more pop, you know, so when the sun hits, it's like, yes. Now I'm gonna spray with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. For mascara, we're gonna use the Fenty Beautiful Frontal Mascara. And while I like that, nothing compares still to my... You see what this freaking Thrive Cosmetics does? This is a non-lash wearer's dream. This is the Fenty, and this is with the Thrive Cosmetics over top. I am gonna go over top my lips with the Fenty Beauty. This is the Diamond Milk Gloss Bomb. And one more thing I like to do when I have more of a natural look like this is put back my moles. And I'm just gonna use like this is the Tartiste eyeliner pen. Alright, and then, you know, to make your mole look even more natural, you can just simply go over it with your powder brush. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much going to complete this natural radiant makeup look. As you can see, I did not use any foundation and I use very minimal products to complete this look, but it's cute nonetheless. This is pretty much my everyday makeup look when I'm trying to look like I did something but I really do too much. Okay, so yeah, that is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah. This is